Designing a new privacy fence? I'll make this fast and super practical. Side by side, simple, full coverage at install. Though small gaps can open as boards dry, it is the more budget-friendly option. Board on board, overlapping pickets gives you true privacy. Better in wind than side-by-side panels. Costs a bit more due to extra pickets needed and additional labor. Shadow box, alternating pickets on both sides of the runners. Semi-private, allows for great airflow and a unique artistic look. Looks good from either yard, great for neighbors splitting fence expenses. Overall a mid-range cost, due to a little extra labor and material compared to side-by-side. Tongue and groove, interlocking boards, clean and super private. Much higher material cost and additional labor cost, but very solid, long-lasting product. Horizontal slats, gives you a very unique, modern look. Contractor must be prepared to produce precise framing and adequate site planning, especially on slopes. Labor can push it to the top tier in large part due to framing challenges. There's not much room for error. Post and rail, add style or boundaries. Cheapest but not private. Lattice toppers, add style. Lattice can add some considerable cost. Quick cost rank, post and rail, side by side, shadow box, board on board, horizontal board, then tongue and groove. Posts, 4x4. Pressure treated is common. Use 6x6 for taller or heavy styles, or gates, adds a very distinguished look, great for road-facing fences, will typically need to be installed on a concrete footer. Set about 1/3 of post height in concrete below the frost line, or use concrete pillars as footers, but ensure you use a bracket secured in the concrete and secured on all 4 sides of the post. Steel posts are the most common material used in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. Galvanized steel resists rust and is strong enough to hold up any type of wood fencing in any type of conditions. Runners and rails, typically 2x4s, but will also find 2x3s being used. 3 runners for 6-foot fence, 4 runners for 8-foot fence is preferred. Use exterior brackets or toe screws if you want to cut costs. With metal posts, utilize the brackets that attach to post and have screw holes for runners on either side. You can always add metal post stiffeners in windy zones. Pickets, 5/8 or 3/4, dog ear or flat top are the primary styles. Utilize tighter spacing on side-by-side fencing for more privacy. Eye-butt them up to one another as tightly as possible. Pressure-treated pine, most affordable, fairly rot and insect-resistant via ACQ-MCA treatment. It's heavier, often arrives wet, and can warp as it dries. You must let it dry before staining if you want an appealing product. Western red cedar, naturally rot-resistant, stable, lightweight, stains beautifully. Highest cost, use stainless fasteners to avoid staining from tannins or coated deck screws. Japanese cedar, lightweight, stable, good decay resistance, takes stain well. Not actually a cedar lumber, but looks and acts like cedar, typically mid-cost between treated pine and western red cedar. Cost rank, treated pine, Japanese cedar, western red cedar. Stain shields and protects lumber against UV, moisture, and cracking, and extends lifespan of your fence. Oil-based stains penetrate deeper and gives a richer tone, and is much more efficient at wicking water off lumber. Water-based dries faster, has lower VOC, and holds color better, not to mention easier to clean up. Would recommend oil-based stains for any transparent colors. Reapply oil-based every 3 to 5 years. Same with water-based, though oil tends to last a little longer. Western red cedar and Japanese cedar absorb stain evenly. PT needs to dry to 15 to 19% moisture first. Fasteners, use stainless or hot dip, galvanized or coated deck screws. For PT, use ACQ-rated coated screws. Screws rated for the contact with chemically treated lumber. Use 1 5/8 inch for pickets, 1.5 inch lag bolts for runners on metal posts. 2 fasteners per rail per picket. Pre-drill cedar to prevent splits. Bottom line, most folks pick pine or cedar at a height of 6 bars or 8 arm. With the right contractor, you can achieve any look, height, or detail. At Keystone Construction Solutions, we can design and build your fence 100% custom to your specs, end to end.